In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Lovable code using GitHub Video Tutorial, updated 2026. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable way to export the code from your Lovable project, and then grab a clean zip directly from GitHub for safekeeping or sharing. By the end, you'll have a local copy from Lovable and a versioned copy from your GitHub repository, so you can archive, review, or hand off your work with confidence. Start inside Lovable and open the project or website whose code you want to export. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and that you've selected the exact project you intend to back up. Give the project a second to load so all files and assets are ready. This helps ensure your export reflects what you see in the editor. Next, switch to the code editor view and use the export option to download the entire project as a zip. This creates a snapshot of your current project state, including your key, assets, and any generated configuration files visible in Lovable. Choose a familiar download location so you can find it later, and avoid interrupting the process while the zip is being prepared. This zip is great as a quick local backup and mirrors the code as it appears right now in Lovable. Now let's also export via GitHub. In the top right of Lovable, click the GitHub icon to open the repository connected to this project. If your project isn't already connected, you'll need to set that up first in Lovable before continuing. When the list appears, select the correct repository for this project so you land on the right GitHub page. It's a good idea to double check you're viewing the intended branch, typically main, so the zip matches the version you want. On your GitHub repository page, click the green code button. From the menu that appears, choose Download Zip. Your browser will begin downloading a compressed snapshot of the repository at the branch you're currently viewing. Larger projects can take a bit longer, so keep the tab open until the download finishes. Save the file somewhere predictable, like your project archives folder, and consider adding the date to the file name when you store it. You now have two useful exports, the zip from Lovable, which reflects the latest editor state, and the zip from GitHub, which reflects the version that's been pushed and tracked. Together, they give you both an immediate snapshot and a version-controlled snapshot. As a quick tip, avoid committing sensitive files to your repository and review your .gitignore to keep secrets and environment files out of version control. That's it. Congratulations on exporting your Lovable code using GitHub.